Have you ever stopped amidst your daily chores and wondered, what is the purpose of my existence? Welcome to the enigma of existence, a philosophical puzzle that has intrigued thinkers and laymen alike for centuries. Today, we will explore this through the lens of existentialism, a philosophical school of thought that centers on our individual existence, freedom, and choice. Existentialism emerged in the 19th and 20th centuries, a time of great change and disillusionment. It was an era marked by the Industrial Revolution, world wars, and the rise of scientific rationalism. People began to question traditional values and beliefs, leading to a sense of disorientation and confusion. Amidst this chaos, existentialism arose as a beacon, offering a fresh perspective on the human condition. At the heart of existentialism is the individual. You, me, all of us, navigating our existences, making choices, and carving out our own paths. It emphasizes our freedom to shape our lives, the responsibility that comes with this freedom, and the anxiety of making choices that have no predetermined right or wrong. This philosophical movement was championed by influential thinkers such as Søren Kierkegaard, Friedrich Nietzsche, Jean-Paul Sartre, and Albert Camus. Each of these philosophers, in their unique ways, grappled with the question of existence and sought to understand the human condition. Kierkegaard explored the tension between the individual and societal norms. Nietzsche questioned moral values. Sartre emphasized our freedom and responsibility, while Camus wrestled with the absurdity of life. These existentialist thinkers, though rooted in the Western tradition, posed questions that resonate with all of us, transcending geographical and cultural boundaries. Their insights into the human condition, our struggles, our triumphs, our despair, and our hopes, echo in the philosophies of many cultures around the world. As we delve deeper, we will find that existentialism, despite its Western origins, resonates with philosophies across cultures. So let's embark on this journey together, exploring the enigma of our existence, and perhaps finding our own answers along the way. Existentialism at its core revolves around certain key concepts that question our very existence. Now let's delve into some of these key concepts: freedom, authenticity, and the nature of reality. What does freedom mean in the existentialist perspective? It's more than just political liberty or the ability to choose your favorite flavor of ice cream. Existential freedom is about the capacity to define oneself, to create your own essence. It's about acknowledging the raw, unscripted nature of life and the fact that we are, in every moment, free to decide who we are and what our life means. This brings us to the concept of authenticity. Authenticity, in existentialism, isn't about being genuine in the conventional sense. It's about living in harmony with your true self, your chosen essence. It means accepting the responsibility that comes with freedom, the responsibility of creating your own values and living by them, even when they go against societal norms. To live authentically is to be true to oneself, to not hide behind the roles and expectations society imposes upon us. It's about embracing the uncertainty, the absurdity, and the freedom that is inherent in human existence. Now let's talk about reality. What's real for you might not be real for me. Reality, according to existentialists, is subjective. It's not something out there, independent of our minds, waiting to be discovered. Instead, it's something we each construct based on our individual experiences, perceptions, and interpretations. Our understanding of existence, therefore, is shaped by our personal realities. This perspective emphasizes the importance of individual experience and personal interpretation in our quest for meaning and understanding. These key concepts of existentialism, freedom, authenticity, and the subjective nature of reality challenge traditional perspectives on life and existence. They encourage us to question, to reflect, and to take ownership of our lives. They remind us that we are not just passive observers in the theater of existence, but active participants, shaping our own realities and creating our own meanings. The existentialist view, though complex, provides a profound perspective on life and reality. Though born in the West, existentialism finds echoes in philosophies from different parts of the world. As we journey eastward, we encounter existential themes in the philosophical traditions of India and China. In the teachings of Buddhism, for instance, we find a profound exploration of suffering and the impermanence of existence, much like the existentialists' confrontation with despair and mortality. The Buddhist concept of anatta, or no-self, shares a common thread with Sartre's assertion that existence precedes essence. Both imply that we are not born with a fixed nature or purpose. Instead, we are thrown into the world, free to define ourselves and our own meaning. In Confucianism, we find a focus on the authentic life, reminiscent of Kierkegaard's emphasis on authenticity. Confucius taught that we must strive to align our actions with our inner moral sense, a sentiment echoed in Kierkegaard's call to live in accordance with one's personally defined values. Meanwhile, in Africa, the philosophy of Ubuntu emphasizes interconnectedness and community. This resonates with the existentialist idea that our existence is fundamentally relational, as expressed by Nietzsche's assertion that we are always already in relation with others. In Native American philosophies, the emphasis is often on harmony with nature and the cyclical patterns of life and death, reflecting existentialism's concern with the temporal nature of existence and the inevitability of mortality. Yet, while these philosophies share themes with Western existentialism, they also present unique perspectives. Buddhism, for instance, offers a path to escape the cycle of suffering, while existentialism often leaves us grappling with it. Confucianism places a greater emphasis on societal roles and duties, contrasting with existentialism's focus on individual freedom. These variations remind us that while existentialist themes are universal, their interpretation and application can vary greatly across cultures, shaped by unique historical, social, and cultural contexts. In essence, existentialism, like any philosophy, is not a monolith. It is a rich tapestry woven from diverse threads, each reflecting a different facet of the human condition. Existentialism, in its essence, transcends cultural boundaries, reflecting the universal human quest for meaning. In our contemporary world, existentialist insights hold profound implications for understanding ourselves and our place in the world. Existentialism, a philosophy that emerged in the mid-19th century, continues to resonate in the modern era, providing a framework for interpreting the complexities of our individual and collective existence. It is a philosophical tradition that encourages us to delve into the deeper recesses of our minds, to question, and to seek meaning in an often unpredictable and chaotic world. One of the central tenets of existentialism is the concept of freedom, not in the political sense, but in the context of personal responsibility. It posits that we are free to shape our own destinies, to author our own life stories. This freedom, however, comes with an immense responsibility, for each choice we make defines who we are and who we become. In the modern world, where a multitude of choices confront us at every turn, this existential freedom can be both liberating and daunting. Alongside freedom, authenticity is another cornerstone of existential thought. It urges us to be true to ourselves, to live in accordance with our values and beliefs, rather than conforming to societal expectations or norms. In a world increasingly dominated by social media and the pressure to portray a certain image, the existential call for authenticity is more relevant than ever. It reminds us that it is okay to be different, to be unique, to be ourselves. Existentialism, with its focus on personal freedom and authenticity, also fosters a deeper appreciation for the complexities of human existence. It acknowledges the inherent uncertainties of life, the inevitability of suffering, and the inevitability of death. Yet instead of inducing despair, these insights can empower us. They can motivate us to live more fully, to cherish each moment, and to strive for a life imbued with personal meaning and purpose. Existentialism, with its emphasis on personal freedom and authenticity, invites us to embark on a lifelong quest for meaning, reminding us that the journey is as important as the destination.